So this is my hair blown out, and I'm debating if I'm gonna trim it now or in December. I was wanting to do it today. I actually put it on my calendar today, and I'm actually running out of daylight. I have to get up early for work. This is the length. It needs to be trimmed. Like this part, for some reason the front of my hair grows quicker than the back, so I'm like, do I want to cut it? I don't know. All right, so this is the length blown out. Okay. All right, let's see what it looks like. Almost done. Almost done. So these are the products I just used in my hair. A mousse. I use mostly the cream, and then the Shea Moisture. In the morning, I'll use this for my edges, and then some of this throughout the hair and on the ends. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 braids. 1 here in the back. So 1 back there. 2 on this second row. 2 on the top. 2 on the top. 2 on the side. I can show y'all my hair without showing my bathroom. I don't know. Trust me, there's 9 braids, okay? Let's see what it looks like in the morning. So this is the hair. This is the look. Nice and bouncy, juicy curls. I love it. And this is probably gonna be my look for the rest of the end of the year. Yeah. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We got some bounce, bounce, bounce. My hair was so dry. I switched my products to Shea Moisture. I was using a different product before and it really dried my hair out, but I revived it with some castor oil, olive oil, some products that had coconut oil, aloe vera, shea butter. All of those things combined simultaneously help to rejuvenate the supplication. I don't know, the softness, the bounciness. It revived my hair. Okay, hair is revived and it's nice and bouncy now. So yep, did my edges. I don't know if I put enough edge control, but I do have Kiss, the peach scent edge control. I did leave the ends curly. I don't know if I needed to put rollers on my ends, but like the front of my hair is a little bit more loose and limp. That's why I went ahead and put the rollers on the entire head, and it's not just the front, because then it will be different. The ends would look different, and I wanted a consistent look, kind of. But yeah, so this is the look that we're going for. Hey. nice and bouncy. So yeah. Okay, this is the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.